Professor, this is my week 2 DQ1 presentation. And in statistics, there are 3 measures of central tendency, which are mean, median, and mode, which helps to describe the data. The mean is the accurate measure to depict the data where there is no outliers present. The median is used if there is an outlier in the data set, and the mode is used if there is an outliner and about half or more of the data is the same. The mean is the only measure of central tendency that is influenced by the outliners, which in turn impacts the standard deviation. Also, outliners could substantially increase the variance, which is the measure of how the data spread out, and is determined by taking the average of the square differences between each data point and the mean, making it look that the data is more stretched out than it really is. The best type of graph for visualizing outliners is the box plot. Also, the z-score method could be used where the values are the difference between the value of the mean divided by the standard deviation. The z-score helps to identify outliers by values if the particular data point has a z-score value either less than -3 or greater than +3. The IQR method could also be used, and in my presentation, I will show the z-score and the IQR method. Now I will share my screen to show this. Let me see. Okay, here I have this is my Python program. I use a data set with height and weight, and I have here, I read the data, then I get the number of rows. This is a 10,000 rows by 3 columns, and I use the head to get the force 5 data. And this is the plot that I have here to show. Then I use the z-score, and the z-score gives this. When I use describe, from the z-score, I get this value for the mean, the standard deviation, and the other values. And I can find the mean separately. Also, I can find the standard deviation separately here. And the z-score will be 1.94, which is a value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation here to get the z-score. And this is to show that there's no outliers here. And the other method that I use is the IQR. And I also did a plot here. And this plot, when I use the head, it gives the force 5 data. It pulled up the force 5 data. And this shows this is a visual showing the dispersion. And as I go down here, this is the program that I use to show these plots, and this shows the box plot with outliners here. And I use the IQR where the upper limit is Q1, and we have Q3, which is 0.25 and 0.75. And when we subtract the 2, the IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1, which gives a value of 5.6 here. And what I have here is the script for showing the outliners here. And now I get 9,992 rows by 3 columns. Thank you. And